what perhaps I would want to know, it's whether that technical report has been authenticated by the various state agencies. I think our prayer, even when we visited the area, was to have a multi-technical team that will go and inspect the safety of the houses and Kenyans living around that area, so that we know that tomorrow we will not have another what was that dam called? Solai issue in the area. That, I think, is the most critical for us, to ensure that the safety of our Kenyans living in that area is guaranteed.
Before beginning the construction, we got all the necessary approvals, that is from City Hall, from NEMA, from Warma, who even came and pegged and showed us where we could start the construction from. When the committee visited the site, as you've said informally, there was an issue that was raised that probably the dam is not safe, and we engaged Engineer Rutere, who is a dam expert, one of the best in Kenya, and he did a report which was duly submitted to the National Assembly on 26th of October last month, and we have not got any complaints, because he gave it a clean bill of health showing that the dam is very safe.